So if someone told me 5 years ago I'll be talking about money saving tips, I would say, not for me. But guess what? Yes, that's me these days, and I'm loving it because you know what? We are securing the bag, honey. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome and be part of the family. If you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right, so in today's video we're going to talk about in today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to share some 5 tips on saving money. If you told me this 5 years ago, maybe I wouldn't really believe it, but I have adjusted my life over time. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I have a new video up. If you've been following me for some time now, you know that I am a Kenyan living here in Milan, and I live here with my husband and son. And I came here a while ago, not so long. So my life started when I got to Europe. The way I used to, think of money and now is quite different. Whatever amount you have and spending it can be like, So that takes us to our number 1 point, which is budgeting. So budgeting has been really a great way for us as a family to really check on what we spend on, and budgeting really goes a long way, meaning this is the income for the month. Okay, what are we going to do about it? Are we going to do this and this, and what is left we're going to do this? Okay, making sure that you can track all your spending, you can check what went here and what went there, how much you spent on this, how much you spent on food, how much you spent on, all the things that, or the bills, the mortgage, everything. So what I would say is probably look at what works for you, but definitely a budget really goes a long way. Check how much am I spending on fuel. If it's a lot, if you're spending a lot of money on fuel, then you have to track down, where do I go to unnecessary trips, or you're able to track how you're spending that money or how that money is spent. So budgeting really is very key. And the beauty about when you have a budget, you're able to know and stick to that budget, because having a budget and sticking to it also is 2 different things. So if you're able to have a budget and stick to it, can really help to track your finances. Another thing is sell what you do. I have said this too many times. When you declutter, check what is still useful, what you're able to sell and get some money. Like I'm going to declutter right now. We are getting into spring and I need to buy probably a few things, and I know there's some toys, my son's toys, and some other things that I know that are sellable, like I can resell them. So I'm going to do that so that if I need to get something else, I'm not getting that money from my pocket, but I'm getting that money from selling the things that I have to sell. Because sometimes maybe you might think, okay, I have this thing that I'm going to throw it, but maybe it can get you some $20. Why not? So check what you have to sell or resell, and you can do that on Marketplace. I say that a lot. So that can help you to save money. Instead of getting money from your finances or getting money from your income, you can resell what you don't need. So if you want to really save your money and also time, because time is money, you can take that to the kitchen. And having a meal plan is the best thing you can do to yourself. This can really help you on those busy nights or busy evenings, busy days during the week that you don't have to bring a takeout or buy a takeout, because you already have your meals planned. And this can be like having your menu for the week, and also preparing some of the meals maybe during the weekend, like vegetables. If it's something that is very taxing to do, like preparing the vegetables, you can prepare that, put them in batches, and put them in the freezer, so that you know what you're going to eat in a particular day, and you just have to defrost that and heat and eat. Because meal planning can really help you, because a lot of money, most people, especially if it's a family, they spend a lot of money on meals. Some produce can go bad because you bought a lot and you didn't have time to probably prepare that kind of meal, especially vegetables and fruits. So if you meal plan, you are going to really save a lot of money and time, and you're gonna eat healthy because the meals are already prepared. Before is to buy from a garage sale. If you think maybe you need something, you can buy from a second or pre-owned item, because probably you're looking for a mirror. You can buy that from maybe a garage sale, or you can buy that from a second-hand market. You can buy that from marketplace around your area, because those are items that really you can buy and you can get even good quality. I can tell you for sure that I bought this desk from a lady, and it was so cheap, you guys, and it's really beautiful. It's vintage. It's just amazing. So that is how you can do to save money. So the tip number 5 is fighting the temptation. I know it's not easy. Like me, I like to shop, and the good thing is you can do the shopping. If you have probably half an hour that you've seen something you really want to buy, this is what I do, and I think it's really helped me to cut down on the shopping, unnecessary shopping especially, or even impulse buying. So I would put into the cart the items that I think I need or I've seen that really attract me. So I would put them in the cart. I would just fill in my cart with all those good stuff, and then I would say, you know what, I'm going to leave this for 24 hours. Trust me, when you come back after 24 hours, you check the same cart, you'll be like, okay, I don't need them. So it's always just like a kind of satisfying yourself and also trying to fight the temptation. Good way to save money, but just satisfying yourself, but also just trying to fight the temptation low-key. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's going to be useful. Let me know on the comment section down below what you think about these 5 tips, and I'm going to just see you in my next video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I have a new video up. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Stay blessed.